Hi guys, Jon Oswald from GVS, here today to talk to you about our PX5 powered air respirator and the Z-Link Industrial hard hat. So we'll start with the PX5. This is our blower unit. This is what feeds the nice filtered air into the helmet. The first thing to call out is the shape and size of it. So this is our P3 unit. We also do a gas filter as well, which is slightly bigger, but that will filter out any hazardous gases and vapors. But how it sits on your back is slightly different to more conventional PAPR units on the market that sit more like this. And the reason we put it this way round is because your back is generally longer than it is wide. So therefore this sits more parallel to the back, which gives you an added comfort feel. It also means it's easier to shift around to the side in case you're having to get in and out of any vehicles. Everything that you need for the unit to work is contained inside the unit as well, which is a strong benefit for, again, if you do happen to bang it on the side. It's all very neatly protected, so really robust against harsh conditions. The battery slots underneath here, so neatly protected like so, and the filter is sitting behind the protective grille. A nice little safety feature is obviously one of the challenges if you can't see the filter because it's hidden behind the protection here, this now won't lock. So a nice safety feature. For the guys on site, it means that they'll never get out on site without the filter actually being intact. How it works is you've got your control panel on the side here. On-off button is the green button here. So you press and hold to turn it on. That will default to the lowest fan speed, which is 170 litres per minute. Press that once, will increase it up to 210 litres per minute. Press it again, will increase it up to 230 litres per minute. So 3 fan speeds. You'll also get your battery life, your fan speed, and the airflow. You will also hear an alarm and a vibration, so the wearer knows something's wrong. Generally speaking, it's because the battery needs changing or charging, or the filter needs changing. And then to turn it off, you press and hold again, and the unit will shut down. This is the Z-Link Industrial helmet. So here you get hard hat protection, face protection, as well as obviously your respiratory protection. This particular unit is using our FR rated face seal. We also do a full shoulder seal. We also do just a chin seal, and the different seals really are based on whatever you're doing in terms of your application. It will determine which seal you need. What a lot of the guys like about this is, first of all, the weight of it. It is a nice lightweight product, but actually how that weight is distributed throughout the helmet. So we put the same amount of weight on the front of the helmet than we do on the back of the helmet, so it's nice and evenly balanced throughout, which gives you a nice comfortable finish when it's on your head. The other thing that a lot of the guys like is with the seal. A lot of the other products out on there, when you want to lift the visor up, if you're having a break, you've got to lift it from the seal itself, which means that you're breaking the seal, if you like. Whereas with the Z-Link, once you've got that seal set, you just put on a green part here, and it's only that bit that lifts up, which means that the seal and everything else is remaining in shape. You can also control where you have the air flowing. So sometimes you might not want to feel it directly on the face, so you can point this away. Other days you might want to feel it onto the face because it can be a nice sort of cooling feel. So you can point that down towards the face or move it any direction that you like. Loads of padding on the inside for added comfort, and a nice easy to use wheel ratchet to adjust the harness. So yeah, that's the GVS-RPB Z-Link Industrial helmet, as well as the PX5 powered air respirator. So please do get in touch for further information. We can come in and do a full site survey to understand what your needs and requirements are before putting forward some ideas in terms of what sort of kit that you might need.